Okay, so we're back here in Eramosa. This is a rodent job that we've been on for a little while now. You can see the exclusion here. I think we did a video on this before. This is on the long side of it. Now we're going to run it along down here underneath on this kind of stone rubble made foundation. Okay, so now you can see we've got our piece cut. We've got our 90 bent into it. Now we're just going to try to get it in place. It's going to be a little bit tricky. The eaves trough here has rivets right into the wall, so we can't even unscrew that to get it out of the way. We're going to have to try to feed it up underneath nice and neat, but we'll get there. Stick with me. Alright, so now that we've got it kind of lined up where it's going to go from end to end here, all the way across, I can see here that this comes up just a little bit too high. It comes up right to the rivet, so we're going to have to cut around it. Right around here. Make sure we're below the... I always like to start by taking minimal amounts, because you can always take more later. Once you cut too much, then that's the end of that. We're going to try to... Beautiful. Okay. So now you can see it kind of fit nicely in behind there. So now we're going to start fastening it down, decide where we're going to put our door, clean things up a bit, do a rebate, and finish it up. Alright, so now we've got our hardware ready to go. We're going to start tapping it in. Just to make sure. So basically this is kind of the name of the game. We're going to fasten it into the concrete all the way along, and we'll show you what it's like when we get there. Okay, so now we're tapped in all the way along. We're going to cut our door to fit here and call this one complete. It's tapped right into the concrete, so nothing's going to lift that out. It's pretty neat, out of the way, and we're just about through here. Door looks good. It's good and solid. It's right against the hole on the inside. So this setup is pretty good. I'm happy with it, and we'll get rid of whatever's in there.